Welcome to this technical guide on the PS5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your PS5 is overheating and sounding like a jet engine, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to dust buildup or failing components, which can cause your console to overheat and potentially lead to permanent damage if left unattended. Ignoring this problem can result in performance issues or even complete failure of your device. To tackle this repair, you will need a few basic tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, thermal paste, and a can of compressed air. First, ensure your PS5 is powered off and unplugged. Carefully place it on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of the console. Gently lift the top cover, being cautious not to force it, as this can damage the casing. Inside, you'll notice the cooling fan, which is likely the culprit for the overheating. To locate it, look for a large circular component connected to the heat sink. Carefully disconnect the fan's power cable, ensuring you do not pull on the wires too hard. Next, remove the screws holding the fan in place and lift it out. Be mindful of any dust that may be trapped within, and use the can of compressed air to clean both the fan and the heat sink thoroughly. Once everything is clean, apply a small amount of thermal paste to the heat sink, as this will help improve heat dissipation. Now, it's time to replace the fan. Position it back in place, securing it with the screws you removed earlier, and reconnect the power cable. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is reassembled, carefully place the top cover back on, ensuring it clicks into place. Finally, replace the screws at the back, plug your console back in, and power it on to verify that it's functioning properly. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to clean your console regularly, keeping it in a well-ventilated area, and avoid blocking the air vents. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.